Class 4 Science. Chapter 7 Reproduction in Animals. Good morning, dear children. In the previous chapter, we learned about the adaptations of animals. In this chapter, we will learn how animals reproduce their young ones. Before learning that, we should know what is reproduction. The process of giving birth to young ones is called reproduction. Animals reproduce in two ways: by giving birth to young ones and by laying eggs. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their milk are called mammals. Cats, dogs, tigers, lion, zebra, elephants, etc. are mammals. The baby develops inside the mother's body. After a few weeks, completely developed baby come out from its mother's body. The baby look like their parents. After their birth, they feed on mother's milk till they learn to feed by their own. Mothers take care of babies till they become able to take care of themselves. Mothers will feed and protect their babies from enemies. Some animals lay eggs. Birds, insects, fish, frog, crocodiles, turtles, tortoises, etc. lay eggs. We all seen hen's egg. It has a hard and white outer covering. This outer covering is called as eggshell. This is to protect the egg. Inside the shell you can see a white color liquid. This is called albumin. Inside albumin there is an yellow color liquid which is called egg yolk. This yolk will develop as new baby. It also contains food for the baby bird. Albumin around the yolk protects the baby and provides water to it. After laying eggs, the mother bird sits on the eggs to keep the eggs warm. This process of sitting on eggs for the purpose of hatching is called incubation. During this time, the baby birds start growing inside the egg. A few weeks after, the fully developed babies comes out by breaking the shell. This is called as hatching out. Mother bird look after their baby birds until they become able to take care of themselves. Most of the insects such as butterflies, grasshoppers, cockroaches and houseflies lay eggs. The young ones when come out of the egg look very different from their parent. They gradually develop into fully grown insects through different stages. This process of going through various stages before becoming an adult insect is called its life cycle. Life cycle of cockroach. The cockroach's life cycle includes three stages: the egg, nymph and the adult stage. After 6 to 8 weeks, the baby cockroaches comes out of the egg. This immature cockroaches does not have wings. It is called as nymph. Then it shed its skin several times and become an adult cockroach. This process of shedding of outer covering of the body, that is skin, by the nymph during their growth is called molting. Insects like grasshoppers, locusts and termites also go through these three stages. Life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly lay eggs on leaf and tiny worm-like structure hatch from the egg called larva. This larva is also called as caterpillar. Caterpillar eats leaves all the time and grows very fast. When it cannot eat more, it covers itself from the thread that comes out of the caterpillar's body. This stage is called pupa. The caterpillar undergoes many changes inside the pupa. They molt several times. After a few weeks later, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the pupa. This whole process is called life cycle of butterfly. Houseflies and moths also go through 5 stages in their life cycle. Dear children, all of you had to read your textbook chapter 7, reproduction in animals, up to life cycle of butterflies. All of you study well and prepare for the next examination. Thank you.